Hello guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my first video. For today's video, I'm going to build a PC. It's not a gaming PC by all means. It's just a simple PC. It's just a simple project that I want for my first video, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. This video will be divided into 3 parts. The first part is the part introduction where I intro all the components that I use, why I use them, the price. The second part is where I build them, time-lapse style. And the third part is where I install Windows and play all the games. This machine does not support all the new games such as Fortnite and Genshin like that, but all games should be okay. Okay guys, for the CPU, I'm using the Intel Core i3-2100. It has 2 cores, 4 threads, and its boost clock is 3.1. It's a 2nd gen Intel Core i3, and we're gonna pair that with the GiGabyte H61M motherboard. This motherboard supports the 2nd gen and the 3rd gen Intel, and also max out on the 16GB of DDR3 memory. Now, we are talking about a memory. I'm using a 2-stick of, I believe, Kingston memory, 8GB of DDR3 clock at 1330 MHz. For the GPU, I'm using an AMD card, the Sapphire Radeon HD5770. It's a 1GB. It has 1GB of VRAM, and you only need a 6-pin right here, a 6-pin PCIe connector. For drive, I'm using 2 drive, an SSD and a hard drive. For the SSD, it's the Walram 60GB SSD. It's my first time using the SSD, so we can see if this is any good or not. And for the hard drive, for the mass storage where we are going to install all the games, we are using a 500GB Western Digital hard drive. Okay. For the power supply, we are using an Armaggeddon power supply. Nothing special about the power supply. It's just cheap. It's I believe 242 watts of 2 continuous watt. So yeah, it's simple. You don't have the power on switch, so let's tell us it's not that good, but I believe this will be enough for our components, and also in addition, you have an RGB fan. Okay. This is the master box, not the master box, the cooler master box 600L. This is an ATX case. It's big, so it will fit all the components here, and it's really nice. Okay guys, I finished building the computer. There's a bit challenging, especially on when I'm installing the cooler. It's really hard. I don't like this stock cooler from Intel, and also the IO shield giving me a bit trouble. But fortunately, I built it. Now I haven't do any cable management yet because before cable management, I need to make sure if this computer posts. So I already plug in the power cable. So now I'm just gonna push it. Hopefully it work. Okay. Fan. The fan is spinning. The GPU is giving that. Okay. We have a pause. So this is a successful. So now I'm just gonna install Windows and download some games. conclusion, if this PC worth it, yes, if you can find it, I live in Malaysia, so under 1,000 ringgit, yes, this is worth it. But if you're a hardcore gamer, yeah, this is not for you. You should buy a powerful more PC. For upgradability, this motherboard support the third gen, so you can use or buy the third gen Intel Core i7-3770K or just the non-K, and also you can upgrade to 16 GB of RAM. This is 8, so you can upgrade to 16. And in my opinion, for graphics card, you should be okay with the 1050 if you want to upgrade, of course, a 1050 or a 1060. For 1560, I'm not really sure, but if you can find 1650 in a good price, yeah, go for it. Okay, this is all for today's video. If you dislike it, you know what to do. But if you like it, leave a like and subscribe. Ring the bell for future videos, and comment below what you think about this video. So yeah, thanks. Bye.